Good morning class. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss the last point in our sixth chapter, that is protecting web page, counseling email addresses means hiding a email address, and frameworks of JavaScript and its application. Before going to start our today's lecture, first of all recall the previous lecture's point. First point we discussed in a previous lecture, that is dynamically changing menu with their example. Dynamically changing menu means the items present in the menu are changed automatically. Means the item of the menu can be changed dynamically depend on any action taken place. For this, we create a two pull down menu. Okay. Next point we discussed in a previous lecture, that is validating menu selection. While filling the information, user can forget to select an option in the menu. And in such cases, the incomplete information should not be sent to the server. And to make field compulsory to fill, we use the field validation. And we can validate the menu selection by using the JavaScript. And this can be used for the client-side validation, and we can check whether the input is correct or not. If the input is incorrect, then the error message can be generated and displayed on the screen. And by using JavaScript, the users get prompts to fill the proper information. Last point we discussed in a previous lecture, that is floating menu. What is meant by floating menu? When user scrolls the web page, sometimes we need a menu to stick to the screen for a particular operation, and the menu which is fixed while scrolling the web page is known as a floating menu. And it can be created by using the setting style position of that menu is a fixed. This is the point, previous lecture's point. Let us see today's lecture's point one by one. First point is the protecting the web page. How to protect the web page, or how to disable the mouse right click on a web page? Explain with the example. For this question, answer for this question is hiding your code. The source code of the web page can be viewed by clicking the right mouse on the web page. Whenever user right clicks on the web page, the source code of the web page can be viewed. Anyone who visits to the web page can simply view the source code of the web page, and viewing the source code by users is not a set. Means we can hide the source code of the web page by using or by disabling the right mouse click on the web page. And we write the code to disable the right mouse button in the JavaScript. For this, hiding a source code is protecting the source code by viewing the others users. For this, hiding a code, for this we use disabling the right mouse button. The source code of a web page of some web series can be viewed by right clicking and selecting the option view source. By viewing the source code, we can find out how the web page is created, and anyone can use that source code to create their own web page, and it is not secure to display a source code to the users. We can disable the right click of a mouse button, thus the user cannot see the source code of the web page. Let us see how to disable the right mouse click. This is code to disable the right click button. Here in this program, we disabling the right mouse click by using the statements, that is window.add event listener context menu function of E. Here for disabling the function, we use the context menu, means we add the event listener on the document which prevents to perform any action on the right click. On right click, the context menu is used to open, and we need to prevent to open that context menu. And for disabling purpose, we use the default functionality for this event, means we use disabling the event, we use the prevent default method where the code includes the comment. Here in this program, we use the add event listener with context menu and the prevent default method. Let us see the output of this program. This is the output of our given program. Suppose you right click onto the web page, the right click mouse is disabled, means we disable the right mouse click by using the statement that is add event listener, that is context menu is disabled, and for this we use the prevent a default method. Next one is the counseling email address. What is mean by counseling email address? Explain with example. Counseling email address means to hide the email address from unauthorized user. If we are working with the email addresses and we do not want to show the email address to the user, then we can hide the email address by using a JavaScript. Hiding an email addresses. Following steps are to be followed to hide our email address from unauthorized user. In every email addresses, @ symbol is common, so try to remove it from the email address using the split method. And in the following example, after splitting the email addresses, that is javascript @gmail.com, here we split the email address, that is javascript @gmail.com. We get the result as a javascript gmail.com. Here email.split @. Okay. Divide the result into two parts, that is split 1 and split 2. Here split 1 and split 2. Here for this we use the substring method to remove some of the string from split 1 and join resulted part with the split 2. Here remove some string from the string 1, that is split 1, and join the result with the split 2 using the @. Here join with the using @. Return the joined part as the final output. In our example, the resulted output is java @gmail.com. Let us see one example related to that point. This is code to hide the email addresses. Here we have created a JavaScript function, that is new mail. Here the function contains the code. This function contains the code to convert the email address to hide the some characters in the email address, and we use the string function to split the email address string and then use the dot, the email address characters, and the changed email address is displayed to the user. Thus we can protect the email address by using the JavaScript. This is the same example which I told you in previous slide. In this example, for each and every email addresses @ symbol is common. So try to remove by using the split method. And for this, we divide the result in two parts, that is split 1 and split 2. Here split 1 and split 2 using the substring method. Remove some string from the split 1. Here remove some string from the split 1 and the resulting part, that is split 2 join. Okay. Return the joined part as the final output and display the message using the alert message. Let us see output of this example. This is the output of our given program. Means it hides the email address from unauthorized users. It display only javas ... @gmail.com. Next point is the frameworks of a JavaScript and its application. What are the JavaScript frameworks and what are the applications of JavaScript frameworks? JavaScript framework is an application framework which is written in a JavaScript. And JavaScript framework are the collection of JavaScript libraries which provide the predefined code or functions to the developer, and it performs a general programming that JavaScript do and any more with less lines of code. There are various JavaScript frameworks are available, that is AngularJS, Node.js, React.js. Each framework has a different workflow An entire application is based on the framework. The framework designs the complete application. In a framework, a user need not call the predefined library function. Instead, the framework itself calls the function in a specific way. Some of the frameworks such as AngularJS is an open source JavaScript framework that is used to build the web applications, and it can be freely used, changed and shared by anyone. AngularJS developed by the Google, and it is an excellent framework for building a single page application and line of business application. Some JavaScript frameworks follow the model view controller design pattern to separate the complex code and make easy the development and to improve the code quality and maintainability. Example, that is AngularJS, Node.js and the React.js are these some examples or some frameworks available in a JavaScript. Next point is the applications. Each framework has a wide range of applications. JavaScript frameworks are used in a web development as well as in a hybrid mobile application development, and it improves the code quality. The development of the entire application is based on the framework where less code is required to write by the developer. Means inbuilt code is available in the framework. The React.js is used in a React Native mobile application development, and AngularJS is used in a single page web application development. Framework reduces the code complexity. This is the main advantage of framework, that is it reduces the code complexity. This is all about our today's lecture's point. In this lecture, we discussed the point that is protecting a web page, considering the email addresses, frameworks of JavaScript and its application. In this way, our sixth chapter, that is menus, navigation and web page protection, here completed. I think all are understood the concept of menus, navigations and web page protection. Thank you.